we need to tell the measure of this angle. You see there's a protractor on top of the angle, and then the vertex of the angle. Vertex is 0.0. That's right there in the middle of the protractor where the circle is, and that's where the vertex has to be. And then the lower side, right, OY, is lined up horizontally. That's right. And now that since the angle is in its proper position, all we have to do is just look at where the other side crosses the bottom row of numbers, not the top row, the bottom row. And the reason it's the bottom row is because this angle opens to the right, and so you use the bottom row. And the way to tell which row to use is just look down where the bottom side of the angle is, and just look at which row of numbers has a 0 down there. And that's the row you need to use. See, the bottom row starts out at 0 and then goes 10, 20, 30, 40. And so we're using the bottom row, and you can see that side OR crosses the number 80. And so that means this is an 80-degree angle. And so 80 degrees is the answer to practice A.